Question 2 is a lot like question 1 with doing the conversions. However, you're going to have to do a little additional work in order to understand exactly how to put this equation in place. So for part A, we are looking for the number of square feet when we know the measurements in yards. So I see that I've got square feet, but I have X yards and Y yards. So in order for my answer to be in square feet, I need to multiply feet for my measurements. So right now I have X yards, and let's convert that to feet since we know that 1 yard equals 3 feet, which tells me I can write this as 3x, and then my units will be in feet. So you can see where we have a little additional work here. Same thing for Y yards. 1 yard is 3 feet. And so we would have 3y feet. So this is a little different from what we did in chapter 2, because in chapter 2 I told you how many yards that you were converting. And for this question, we don't know. We're just representing it by this unknown x and unknown y. But now we can find the area. The area is length times width. But we needed to make that conversion here. 3x times 3y, and we can simplify this to 9xy. Part B, we're thinking of the total cost. We know that the rental fee is $3 an hour, and we are renting this for T hours. When you think about how much you would pay, a rate implies that you're going to multiply. And so we would have $3 per hour times T hours to get our total cost. C is similar. We have the number of bolts, and we know that there are n boxes of bolts, and each box contains 24 bolts. So if you know that each box has a particular number, if you want to know the total, multiplication is the appropriate operation there. Each box is 24 bolts, and there are little n of them, and so the total number would be 24n.